Welcome to our complete guide on troubleshooting IPA installation issues on iOS. Today, we'll walk through common problems and solutions step by step. Many users encounter specific error messages during the installation process. Let's discuss these common errors and how to address them. Firstly, ensure the IPA file is compatible with your current iOS version. Check the software version in Settings. Next, check that your device has enough storage space for the new application. Installations often fail due to insufficient space. Signature issues can prevent installations. Ensure you have the correct certificates by reviewing your provisioning profiles. Consider using third-party tools designed for IPA installations. These can simplify the process and resolve many issues. Reinstalling or updating iTunes may improve compatibility with your device and assistance during IPA installations. If you're experiencing connection issues, resetting your network settings can often help. Here's how to do it. Lastly, ensure app permissions are properly set. Some installations require specific permissions to function correctly.